Thokozani bantwana bedlozi, umkhulisane le. Bantwana bedlozi, libozijwayeza ukuphuza imbiza. Kuningi ukudla esikudlayo okungekho healthy bantwana bedlozi. We eat a lot of things nje singaklini system yethu. Kubalulekile ukuthi uphalaze, uglowe nje ube muhle uphuphe phela. Uyabona mawudla ukudla okungekho right ugcina ukhohlwa amaphupho. Yabona uba bloated and all that. So we don't need that. Yebo as-enjoy ama-cakes, sweets, whatever we like. Drinks, but sibuye siphalaze, sibuye sikline igazi, sikline izinso. Kulabo abaphuza kakhulu bantwana bedlozi. Kwamele sifundise umuntu. Angithi siyawazi ama-habits ethu and all that. Mawazi ukuthi uyathanda ukuphuza, ukline phela ama-kidneys. So contact me for imbiza, ngiyakukhoriyela. Ungeza kwasefamasi uzothola zonke nje ziphelele. Siyathokoza. Have a good day.